Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today, where I'll be sharing basic crochet techniques. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a slip stitch, one of the smallest and most useful stitches in crochet. It's often used to join rounds, move your yarn without adding height, or create a neat edge. First, let's start by making a foundation chain. You can make any number of chains to practice. I'll make few chains here just to show you how it works. Once you've got your chain ready, we can begin slip stitching into each one. Let's start by making a chain to begin a new row with slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, first insert your hook into the back bump of the second chain from the hook. Next, yarn over and pull the yarn through the stitch and the loop already on your hook. And that's it. You've just made a slip stitch. It's super simple, flat, and doesn't add height. Perfect for joining rounds, moving across stitches, or creating a clean edge. You can repeat this across your row, depending on your pattern. Now you know how to make a slip stitch, one of the simplest but most useful stitches in crochet. Whether you're joining rounds, moving your yarn, or making neat edges, the slip stitch will come in handy all the time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet basics and fun tutorials coming soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!